from grade 4E Ryan International School, Surja. Today I'm going to be cooking one of my favorite foods, Aloo Paratha. Aloo Paratha is one of my favorite dishes, mainly because in Aloo Paratha there will be potatoes, in which the potatoes will have protein and carbohydrates. Let's see how I make the Aloo Paratha. First we are going to prepare the dough for the paratha. We need 4 cups of wheat, salt as required, 1 spoon of oil, add water to mix the dough. Dough until you get a crack-free dough. Now the dough is ready. Then cover the dough with oil and keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Now we are going to be putting some potatoes into a pressure cooker. Now the boiled potatoes is ready. Once the potatoes are boiled, peel off the skin. After peeling, smash the potatoes. After mashing, add some Kashmir red chili powder, garam masala, green chili, coriander chopped, and some ginger. Now we are going to be making the aloo parathas. First, roll the dough balls into a flat bread. Place some aloo filling in the center. Seal the dough ball. Remove the excess dough. Roll it again. Heat the pan and put the paratha on the pan. And add some ghee. Flip the paratha multiple times in order to cook it well. The delicious aloo paratha is ready. It can be served with curd. Let's taste it. Wow, this is so good.